Welcome back to Emmervillage. Last time we did a start of the show, and it's time to get a pig in the basement. That would be awesome.
Okay, there's the pig.
There we go. What should I name him? Aha. I know. I will name him Diana.
Now that it is already night time. Time for bed.
What are you in the morning today? Time for a shower.
Peter, why are you locking the shower? It's the morning to us.
Remember, don't do that again, okay? Okay. I'll promise.
Microsoft agents, you should build a computer in the basement.
All right, I will build it.
All right, we building a computer. Don't you guys like it?
I do.
Hello, villager. Will you trade me some emeralds? Sure. You'll need 19 white wools.
Okay.
Okay, here you go.
Okay, have a nice day.
Hello there, villagers. I got a emerald.
Wow, how did you get the emerald?
Got it from the village.
That's great. I would love getting emeralds.
Well, time to end the video. Oh, by the way, if you want to get emeralds, trade the villager in the village.